Hi, my name is Tommy LaPlante. I live in Allen, Saskatchewan, about 40 minutes out of Saskatoon. As a kid, I guess you could say I was very busy. I was a handful. I experienced every type of abuse, and so did my brother. And he turned out pretty good, and I kind of went the other way for a long time. The trauma that I faced came out later as addiction. There was this hurt that was undealt with down deep, and it came out in anger and violence and stuff. And for years, I was head first out of control, back into a tailspin, and without any desire to even get out at this point. I was in and out of the correctional. My life was very violent back then too. The turning point for me wasn't necessarily through choice, it was through circumstance. And so this guy came into my house, and he had a knife, and he hit me twice. I tried to hit his hands. This hammer that I picked up had slipped off his hand, and it hit him in the head. My life changed. We called 911, we got him some help, and he went to surgery for his wounds, and I went to jail for 7.5 months. And so that's where my life changed. From your biggest mess can come your biggest message. It's important to break down the stigma around addiction, around mental health, because I'm not that label. I'm so much more. I'm a person. If we can get rid of the labels and get to know people and get to love them, they'll feel supported. The support that I have helps me to challenge myself. It's important to know that we can move past. We can move past that label. We can move past that addiction. We can be the change that we needed when we were struggling with that, when we didn't have a voice. I didn't one day wake up and say I wanted to be an addict. I didn't. I put my family through a lot. Without my support of my family, I wouldn't be in this video. I have a wife and 2 girls at home. I've got a son. I've got grandchildren. The important thing to know is that there is help and there is hope. And we're going to get out of this together. We are a community.